Sullivan Hights Park, Bell Centre, Surrey, Canada. We have the new matting placed here. There's no fencing, only fencing from the path with the walkway. The rest of the grass has been seeded. There will be no fencing on the left side, as you can see. The new matting's been on the right side. The left side is the old one. I'm not sure if they're going to change it. Our new turf grass wicket has been fenced off now. The grass is growing. Should be inshallah ready by spring. Then they got the mat wicket next to it. It's been fenced up at the moment. I'm at the Sullivan Hights Park, Bell Centre, Surrey, Canada. This is the new mat wicket, just the matting to go on. And then you've got the other turf. The grass is growing now. Hopefully inshallah be properly ready in spring. It's been fenced up at the moment. You can see behind me. The clay soil has been brought from Alberta, just for the square. 90% of this Sullivan Heights ground is of sand. It's been dug up, filled up about 3 feet, something like that. Fertilized, seeded, rolled. It's too wet to be rolled now, but near the season, once some more grass is on there and dry, then you can roll the wicket, and obviously then that'll be marked once they get a groundsman to do the work. And BCMC will probably get somebody to do the matting on this. They've done the gravel, cementing, and then ash pole, and matting will go on nice longer matting. I believe it's 140, now it's 100 feet, and more run up for the bowlers. And the turf wicket will help our players from BC to get used to the pitches in Toronto, Edmonton and other places. Wherever they've got the turf wickets, our players in BC cricket Canada have been playing mainly on mat wickets. So we got one at West Newton. Inshallah we'll have this one ready by spring, so that this second turf grass wicket in BC. This is Manny, Walden Community social media journalist. Sign off.